It's grammar time, children. So, let us understand some of the basics first. Let us learn what is called a letter, word, and a sentence. So, as you can see, all the three words are mentioned here: letter, word, and sentence. Now, what is a letter? All English alphabets are letters. For example, A, B, C, D till Z, children, all are letters. Now, what are words? When we combine two or more letters, it becomes a word. For example, cat, mat, dog, kite. So, here we have combined two or more letters and made a word. Now let's learn about sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. As it's written here, two or more words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Example: Priya likes to paint. So, this sentence has more than two words and it is also making sense. Hence, it is a sentence. I hope all the three things, letter, word, and sentence, are clear to all of you. Now, let's learn about the types of sentences. Children, there are three types of sentences: telling sentence, surprise sentences, question sentences. Let us learn about each one of them in detail. Coming to telling sentences. Telling sentences, children, as the name indicates, it tells the reader about something or it gives some information. As it's written here, these sentences tell us facts or opinions. They end with a full stop. Examples are also given. I miss my students. We used to enjoy in class. So these are examples of telling sentences. How can you say that? Because these sentences are giving you some information. Also, they are ending with a full stop. Hence, these are telling sentences. But if you see, children, the first line that I read is these sentences tell us facts or opinions. So, isn't it a sentence in itself? Yes, it is a sentence, as it is also giving us some information and it is ending with a full stop. I hope the concept of telling sentences is clear to you. Now, coming to the second type of sentence, which is surprise sentences. These sentences show strong feelings or emotions. They end with an exclamation mark. Examples: what a beautiful painting it is. I got the concert tickets. So these sentences, children, they are expressing your emotions. So when our emotions are expressed, our feelings are expressed, and then after that exclamation mark is also there in that sentence, it is known as surprise sentence. I hope the concept of surprise sentences is clear to you. Now coming to the third kind of sentence, which is question sentences. These sentences, children, ask questions. They end with a question mark. For example, in which class do you study? What are your hobbies? So these sentences are asking questions. Also, they are ending with a question mark. So now, children, when you have read all about the three kinds of sentences, here comes the time for your practice. Here is an exercise for you all in which you have to identify which types of sentences are given: telling, question, or surprise. You have 5 minutes to do this exercise. After 5 minutes, I'll be sharing the correct answers with you. You can pause the video here and read the sentences and write the answers in your notebook. All the very best. Jazakumullah khair everyone.